In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Klaviyo. We'll walk through the quick and reliable way to get your contacts out of Klaviyo and into a CSV file that you can use in spreadsheets, other tools, or for backups. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause whenever you need to. First, log into your Klaviyo account and head to the main navigation. At the top, look for the section labeled Audience. When you hover over or click on that, you'll see an option called Lists and Segments. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your contact groups live, whether they're static lists or dynamic segments. Next, find the specific list or segment you want to export. This might be something like your newsletter list, recent purchasers, or an engaged segment. Click directly on the name of that list or segment to open it. You should now see a view of the contacts it contains, along with some details and settings. In the top right corner of this page, you'll see a drop-down labeled either Manage List or Manage Segment, depending on what you opened. Click that drop-down. This is where Klaviyo hides a lot of the list-level actions, including exporting. From the drop-down menu, select Export List to CSV. CSV is a common file format that works with tools like Excel, Google Sheets, and most CRM or email platforms, so it's a safe default for moving data around. Once you click to export, Klaviyo will prompt you to select which fields you want to include. This part is important because it lets you control exactly what data leaves your account. You'll see checkboxes for items like email, first name, and any custom properties you've set up, such as tags or profile attributes. Only select what you actually need, especially if you're sharing this file with others, to keep things tidy and respect data privacy. After you've chosen your fields, click the Export button. Klaviyo will start generating the file in the background. Depending on the size of your list or segment, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. When it's ready, you'll get a notification inside Klaviyo, usually under the bell icon at the top of the screen. You may also receive an email with a download link. Click the link, save the CSV file to a secure location on your computer or cloud storage, and you're done. You've successfully exported your contacts from Klaviyo.